134 to 149 radar tower and rangefinder. Part 134 is glued together, giving it a cross-section as indicated on Part 94 rectilinear with rounded corners. Then we attach it to the place of business. We glue the glued parts 135 and 136 glued together with the railing 137. On the part 136 we glue the upper part of the tower part 138. At the height marked with dashed line, attach the reflector platform 139 and 140. On part 138, glue the parts 141 and 142 glued together with the railing 143. In this part you should make a hole for the mast. On part 143, we attach the basics of 144, and part 145 of the part. Part 146, we glue to the base of the tower. The platforms of rangefinders 147 and 148, glued with railings 149, are glued to the bottom part of the tower 134 in places marked with a dashed line. 150, the part is glued on deck 85. 151 to 156 cranes. Part 151 is glued to the tube to which we attach part 152. We attach the arm 154 to the part 152, arm 155 to part 151. Part 156 stick to the shoulder. 55. From the bottom, attach the base 153 to part 152 and glue it onto part 100. (157, 158 naturals). Part 157 is glued to the main deck of the superstructure in places marked by a dotted line. We put two boats 158 on boats 157. 159, 160 radar bases. We glue the parts 159, giving them a cross-section of rectangles with rounded corners at the bottom. From the top, stick the parts 160. 161 to 164 4 radars. Part 161 is glued to the tube. Part 162 we glue. In the side walls, we make holes and stick sticks B. Finished part is glued on part 161. Elements 163 glue together two pieces and bend along the middle lines. Connect antennas to part 162 using parts 164. We attach finished elements to deck 94 one piece, on the bases next to the front chimney 2 PCs, and on the deck 107 one piece. 165, 166. The base of the rear rangefinder. Part 165 is glued to the tube and from the top we stick part 166. The base is glued onto the part 112. 167 to 170. 2 rangefinders. Part 167 is glued together. Pass the C-stick through the side walls. Part 168, giving them the shape of a drop. Attach the parts 169 to the edges of the section 168. The finished elements are glued to the tower 145 of the base part of the part 166. 171. Breakwater. After gluing parts 171 with each other, we bend them according to the dashed line in front of the first main artillery tower and stick in this place.